we're not too lucky, to be honest. Weather has and is rolling in. Don't know if you can see that behind me, but there's a mad storm coming in that way, coming in over that way, and more that way, with predicted winds of 50 plus kilometers, close to 60 at times. So we'll see what the gusts get up to. Well, we thought we'd come up to the dunes and have a bit of a drive. I think with the other ones up here, it's absolutely picture perfect. But these dunes are unreal. You got so many dunes to drive, and it's really weird because I don't know, I just envisaged that the sand itself would be really soft, but it's just all these dunes that you can drive on, and the sand's actually really compact, so it just feels weird, but absolutely awesome. Just mad sand dunes, then just drops to the water. Fingers crossed we can get through this weather, but I'm going to run back to the car because now the rain's starting to hit me here. Oh no! Our retreat. Well, the weather is beautiful here at Gregory today. More wind, meant to be even crazier than yesterday. So we're doing a bit of a drive. We'll come down to Gregory, explore around here, check it out. This is the local jetty. Good fishing off here today. Nice and easy to cast. What happened there? Made it to the top of the memorial at the old convict depot that's just before you hit the town of Gregory. Cool little spot. They've been restoring it, so obviously it's not to its original glory, but it's still very cool to walk around. They got little signs up with bits of information about it all. It was really cool. So we left Mummy back at camp for her to enjoy her time alone, while Lo and Sethi and I come exploring. So better put a can up on top though, put a rock on top of the can. There we go.
Yeah.